Okay guys, quick update with Bitcoin. If you don't mind leaving a like, I would really appreciate it. If you are subscribed, make sure to tick notification bell. Some people are saying they're not getting notified and put videos up, so make sure you do tick that bell so you're notified. So in the previous video, I told you guys that I was going to short around 100,800. That ladder into that short looked like a likely point to get rejected. So far, we did get rejected. Obviously, if we continue down, now I'm going to give you a point to potentially go long or take profit on that short. Obviously, if we get above this point, well, then you want to switch to go long. And then remember, guys, you can be long from below. Keep your long open a short, take profit on your short while keeping your long open. That's called hedging. Again, swing trading, guys. That's all this is. Currently, you can see I mentioned, if you watched a previous video, it was this one here where I said to short 100,800 around that area. I'll link up this video now if you want to check it out. So I showed you that I entered at a certain point and then had two trigger orders that did trigger. We came down. I was up around $1,000. Price pushed up a bit. Now I'm up about $690. And that is with $3,000 at 30x. We continue down, I'll continue to add more money to this trade. And if we continue down, I'll make more money. If you want to get into leverage trading, guys, Coincatch is a great option. If you want to sign up, that link is pinned in the first comment description. It is no KYC. If you use a VPN, you can use that to your advantage. If you want to learn how to trade on Coincatch, tutorial video I put up showing how to create your account, transfer funds to your futures account, and how to use the tools to trade. I'll link this video now if you want to check it out. So again, I'm just going to ride this and see what happens. I'm going to cover your levels on the hourly and the daily and the DXY as well, because it did push up to resistance. Okay, so I made a post in D1. We did get rejected. Your support right now is 98,870. We did push up from that point. So I want to cover a few things. So again, we got rejected at 100,830. Right off the bat, if we continue down, you know your most strongest support level is going to be around 96,197. That is the central Bollinger Band on the daily and this fib channel line, this green line right here. So pay attention to that target. That could be a potential point to take profit on your short or to go long. If that breaks, well, then the next major support level is going to be down around 93,298. That was mentioned in the previous video. On the hourly, well, we'll have to see what happens. Just like I said in Discord, this is your current support level you're watching to see if it breaks from 98,833. Your current resistance on the hourly is right up here around 99,720. If we get above that, guys, maybe start getting bullish. Red for short. I'd also like to point out this orange trend line right here. You can see that this looks like this was support. Support, support, support. We came below it briefly. We dropped below it. Now that is resistance. So to me, when support becomes resistance, then it's very likely we could drop. So pay attention. If you have not entered a short yet, I would enter a scalp short around 99,720. Again, this is a very key fib channel line right here. Plus we have our current resistance. Now it is possible on the hourly, hold on guys. This could be a possible head and shoulders on the hourly. We'll see. If so, this is your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder, and we are at resistance. So you would just go from the top to the neckline. You pull this down. That would give you a target of right around, let's see, make this green, guys, hold on. 96,000, let's just call it 97,000 down to potentially 96,500. That'd be a great point to take profit on the short. Obviously, if that breaks and that becomes resistance, well, then you would short that point. This would be an ideal point to take profit. Again, guys, it's just called swing trading. That's all it is. If we get above 99,720 on the hourly, your next resistance level to pay attention to is around 100,683 up to 101,341. But that would potentially we'd be breaking above this point. So again, I just shorted this just because this looks like the channel we're in. But 96,300, you can see the confluence. This is the central Bollinger Band on the daily. 96,300 plus if this plays out as a head and shoulders on the hourly, that puts you around the same target. That's why I would take profit at that point and open a long. As far as the DXY, guys, you can see the DXY did push up from 108.496, and we got rejected where I said potentially we would at 109.389. So if we get above, if the DXY breaks above 109.3, that would be bullish for the DXY and bearish for Bitcoin. We did get rejected, so we'll have to see how this plays out. Again, guys, you want to sign up to get access to the charts in Discord. If you do sign up, make sure you click the contact page, email me, and I will send you a Discord invite link if I verify that you have an account. But again, guys, if you want to sign up for Coincatch to support the channel, the link's pinned in the first comment description, and do check out that video if you want to learn how to trade. I say, guys, trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.